Hey guys, thanks for visiting the Provo Beast Audio Installation channel. Today we're going to actually be replacing the 6.5 factory speaker in the door to a new aftermarket NVX speaker. And what we're going to do is show you how to get the door panel off, get the new speaker wired, and everything reassembled. Provo Beast Audio Installation channel is sponsored by NVX and Sonic Electronics. Get 10% off all speakers, amplifiers, wiring kits, and more with coupon code PBAI at NVX. Also get 5% off all car audio components at Sonic Electronics with coupon code ProvoBeast. So first things first, to get this off, there's a couple of screws that you need to be careful about. There's a screw under this panel, screw under this panel, and a screw here on the end. So you can get one of these really small screwdrivers, or smaller. Pop this panel off starting from the back inside. Whoop, it comes on out. There's going to be a Phillips screw right inside there. Go ahead and remove that. Remove this guy here on the end as well. There you go. Let's start from that end. You got to be super careful that you don't damage any of the door. Just like that. That allows you to unplug this little harness. And then while you're here, there's a little Phillips screw right in this little slot. You want to remove that. Once that's loose, we're all good to go. So using a panel tool, you can just kind of start getting your hand around the edge. Now you can use your fingers or another method. Panel tool kind of gets it going, then you can use your fingers the rest of the way. And then you just kind of lift up, just like that. Now what you want to do is disconnect your little light down below. There's our door panel. Make sure all our clips are still in the door. If they are not, you can pull them back out of the door. There's one that kind of stayed. All right, now at this point, you can use a Phillips or a 10mm. There's your factory speaker. Now let's go ahead and get the aftermarket one ready to go. Over here on the bench, we got our old speakers. We're using this NVX N-Series for the replacement. Go ahead and check the description. We have an unboxing and testing of these speakers if you want to hear what they sound like a little bit more in depth. Then we have a speaker ring adapter. Now this adapter, we picked them up online. Essentially, they're just factory fitting aftermarket brackets that allow you to fit an aftermarket speaker using the factory bolt holes, which is super nice. Now the nice thing about this install, we also are using these Metra wiring kits. And this is the 72-8104 wiring harness adapter. And the nice thing is these plug directly into the speaker inputs. Okay, got our speaker portion on there. Okay, just like so, let's head to the car and get this installed. Nice thing is, this just plugs right into the factory harness, just like that. And this will match up right to the factory bolt holes. Now, you'll use the same screws that you pulled out before. Alright, just like that. Let's give this a little test before we button it up. Alright, so reassembling, let's plug our light back in. For our door handle, it just kind of clips back in, but it doesn't screw in, because instead it's secured by that screw from the other side. Just like that. If you have any question about this install, just go and post a comment below. Thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.